You ever have one of those days where you just know it's not gonna go as planned? What's up, everybody? Alright, today I'm gonna be working on my beater car, my Acura TL Type S. My power steering line is leaking, and it's been leaking for months now. It's finally given up the ghost, and now it is completely shot. So, today, I'm going to be changing it. Or hopefully today I'm going to be changing it. What's going on, Hawthorne? Huh? You want to go outside? This is my cat, Hawthorne. Call him Thorn. He's an inside cat. This is the box it comes in. This is the new power steering hose that I'm going to be putting in today. So right now, I'm going to make some coffee. You know, put on some dirty clothes because I'm sure I'll be laying on the ground, and I'll see you guys in the garage. I know this is going to be a pain in the ass because this is Pennsylvania where it snows every week. That's the only reason I've been holding this off for so long. Today we got a mildly nice day. I think it's 40s maybe. So it's not too cold like it's been. It sounds like I'm complaining about the weather. Maybe I should move to somewhere nice like Florida, where I hear that they don't have an state inspection on vehicles, which would be nice. Let me move to Florida. I'm telling you, catalytic converters will be off that minute I cross the border. Straight pipes for everything. This car gets a straight pipe. That car gets a straight. If I live in Florida. Only if I live in Florida. I think some of my cars have straight. Well, that doesn't matter. All right, so I'm here wasting time, and I need to get under this car. Here we go. My worst nightmare. I have to remove a bolt, and there is barely any room to work. Here, let me show you guys. I got a light down here. That's what I gotta remove. I gotta somehow stick a wrench in that space, and as you can see, there's no space to clock a wrench back and forth in there. There's absolutely no space. No way in hell is it coming out from the bottom. So I'm here at the top, and actually you get a little bit better of a shot of what you're looking at. That's the line right there that I need to remove, and then I guess you do some fishing from behind the motor, and we'll get it out. I think this is the way to do it from the top. Still not much room to work with, but I think it's possible now. Looking at it from the bottom, it looked pretty much impossible. Alright, let me clear some room. Maybe I can move some things out the way, see if I can reach down there. Actually, this bar might have to go just so I could get some more room to work. Alright, let me get my light up here. Alright guys, I'm back from Harbor Freight. This is the tool that I bought to make all of this easier. The fitting that's on that line, this right here is going to help me so I don't round it off. I was starting at it with a regular 14, and I felt it was slipping and starting to round off that bolt. So I stopped everything I was doing, just like you should, and I ran out and I got one of these. And if you did this job and you got it off with a regular wrench, go screw yourself. Alright, we just gotta get that disconnected right there. It might be easier to do it from the top, or I might be able to get it off here. Yeah, I think I got it. There it is. Going little by little, and I'm just ratcheting that one off. The other one, do the exact same thing. Just keep working at it and you'll get them both off, and then you'll be ready to pull this old line right out of there. if you need more clearance to get this hose out, you can remove this frame brace. You got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts inside here where the cowl is. These pop out. 2 more bolts over there, and 2 bolts on the driver's side. Take those out, and then you can get this out, and you have enough room to reach down there and get this hose out of here. Yo, what's up, people? Alright, finally got this thing out. It was a little bit of a pain, but if you keep working at it, you're going to get it. Alright, so here's a little tip for you people. Once you get your line out, you're going to want to switch over that power steering pressure sensor. That's that little green thing. I already moved it over to the new line. It's a 17 millimeter to get that thing off. So if you don't have a 17 millimeter wrench, you better find one quick. And for you guys that were wondering, those bends are not 100% on point. They're about 90%, I would say. So unless you're a magician, you're going to have to slightly bend this line gently while you screw in that flare fitting, and then bolt it down, and then plug in your pressure sensor, and then up top you're going to want to bolt that down to your power steering pump. Then the only thing left to do is bleed the system, and you're done. Now we have to bleed the system, make sure we get all the air out. Now we got the wheels off the ground, as you can see. Got the wheels off the ground. We're going to turn the wheel slowly from left to right. Alright guys, so we're officially done with that job. Took the T out to work today on my little test run. Got back home, checked out the reservoir. We're all good, no leaks. So we're officially done with that project. If this helped any of you guys out there, give me a like. Have any questions, have anything to say to me, write it down in the comments. I'll see you guys later. I'm out.